Hello everyone, welcome to Maths IEC. Let's do another A-level physics exam question today. Here you can see a circuit with a 10 volt power supply, internal resistance is 0 and 1000 ohm resistor and an unknown resistor capital R and a voltmeter connected in parallel with it. When the switch is closed, the voltmeter reading is 4 volts. Calculate the value of capital R. The voltmeter has an internal resistance of 1000 ohms. Alright, please pause the video and give it a try. When you are ready for the answer, you can press play. Okay, now let's see what the question is really saying. When this switch is closed, okay, and the voltage across this bar is 4 volts. So here we have 4 volts. Now, obviously what that tells me, because the total voltage here is 10 and you got 4 across this one, the remaining 6 volts must be across this one. The moment I see that, now I can see, oh, I know the voltage, I know the resistance. Oh, so I can easily use V is equal to IR to this resistor to get my current. Right. So I is equal to 6 divided by 1000, 0.006. Right. So I know now clearly the current that's going through this branch is 0.006 amps. Now similarly, I can see I know the voltage of this one. The question says that the resistance of the voltmeter is 1000. So this is 1000 ohms. Okay. So I can easily use V is equal to IR for this branch, for the voltmeter. So let's do the same. So the current here is 4 over 1000, which is 0.004. Okay. Now we can clearly see a current of 0.006 comes along this branch like that, up to this point, and out of which 0.004 take this branch. So obviously Kirchhoff's first law, conservation of charge, the current in this branch must be 0.006 take away that, which is 0.002. But I also know the voltage across it is 4 volts. So all I need to do is use V is equal to IR for this one. R is equal to V is 4 divided by 0.002. So the value of this resistor capital R is 2000 ohms. Done. Now we can also do the same question with a different approach. So I'm going to show you that as well. So that's the beautiful thing about these concepts in physics. So if you use the correct method, you can get the same answer using multiple different approaches. So let's do it using the second method. So let's call this method 2. In this method, we are going to discuss about voltage being proportional to resistance, because V is equal to IR. So voltage is directly proportional to resistance, and I know the voltage here is 6 volts. The voltage across this one, the PD, is 4 volts. Now I know the proportionality, so 6 is proportional to 1000. So R, let's call it R total, right, is proportional to 4. So what is this R total? Total resistance of the bottom half of the circuit. So that's what we call R total. Now I can easily work this out. I can just divide them. 6 divided by 4 is equal to 1000 divided by R total. So R total is 4000 divided by 6. or 2000 divided by 3 ohms. So this is the total resistance of the bottom half of the circuit. So 1 over R total is equal to 1 over this R plus 1 over the resistance of the voltmeter we know is 1000 ohms, 1000. Okay. Now R total is 2000 over 3. 1 over R total is the reciprocal, so that must be 3 over 2000. I'm going to move 1 over 1000 that side, take away 1 over 1000 is equal to 1 over R. Now multiply top and bottom by 2. 3 over 2000 take away 2 over 2000 is 1 over 2000. So 1 over 2000 is equal to 1 over R. So obviously R is 2000 ohms. We get exactly the same answer using a different approach.